A cough is a natural mechanism by which our body try to get rid of mucus, allergens and pollutants. However, a cough that doesn't go away may indicate an allergy, a viral or bacterial infection, and sometimes something more serious like chronic lung disease. A cough is generally of two types, a wet cough and a dry cough. A wet cough almost always brings up the mucus from the respiratory system. Wet coughs are usually caused by common cold or flu. Other conditions that may cause wet cough include asthma, acute bronchitis, pneumonia, and COPD. A wet cough often comes with a runny nose, blocked nose, or fatigue. On the other hand, a dry cough does not bring up mucus and usually caused by inflammation and irritation in the respiratory tract. Other causes of dry cough can include acid reflux, airborne pollutants such as smoke, dust, and irritants. It can also be caused by sore throat, GERD, and COVID-19. Now let's discuss what are some home remedies to get rid of these coughs. Number 1. Honey. Honey is an ancient home remedy for cough and sore throat. It is even more effective than over-the-counter medicines. Honey also has anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antibacterial properties, which may help in relieving the symptoms of cough and sore throat. To get maximum benefits from it, you should add honey either to a herbal tea or warm water and drink it at least twice daily. But remember, do not give honey to children under 2 years age, as it may cause infant botulism, a rare disease which may lead to paralysis. Number 2. Ginger tea. Ginger is a superfood that can be used to treat nausea, upset stomach, cold, cough, and flu. According to some studies, ginger can relax muscles of the respiratory tract, which is beneficial for asthma and cough patients. Ginger also has anti-inflammatory properties, that's why it may reduce inflammation and swelling in the airways. To make ginger tea, add 1 or 2 small sliced ginger root to 1 cup of hot water for 20 minutes, then strain it and enjoy the tea. Avoid adding too much ginger in your diet, as in large amount it may cause stomach upset and heartburn in some people. Number 3. Salt water. Salt water may seem simple, but it is one of the best remedy to get rid of dry cough. Gargling salt water can help kill bacteria and also loosen mucus in your throat, which help clear your sinuses and get rid of your cough much faster. A salt water gargle can also help reduce swelling and irritation. To make salt water, add half teaspoon of table salt into warm water and gargle with it as often as possible. Number 4. Turmeric. Curcumin is an active compound found in turmeric. This compound has anti-inflammatory, antiviral, and antibacterial properties. Turmeric may also reduce the symptoms of dry cough and sore throat. Always consume turmeric with black pepper because black pepper increases the absorption of curcumin. You can make either a turmeric tea or golden milk and add a dash of black pepper and honey for best results. Number 5. Drink a lot of fluids. One of the best way to ease a cough is by drinking a lot of fluids. Drinking a lot of fluids reduces the dryness in your throat, which is a common cause of dry cough. It also helps to thin out mucus, which can ease coughing and congestion. Some of the best hot beverages are herbal teas, warm water, decaffeinated black tea, and masala tea with cloves and cardamom. Number 6. Peppermint tea. Menthol in peppermint helps to numb nerve endings in the throat that may become irritated by coughing. This may provide pain reliefs and reduce the urge to cough. You can either chew on few peppermint leaves or make a tea and drink it before bed. Number 7. Marshmallow root. The leaves and roots of marshmallow plant can be used to treat cough and sore throat. According to a lab study, leaves of this plant was effective at reducing cough because of its anti-inflammatory properties and high mucilage content. To get maximum results, you should add marshmallow root to either hot water or tea. Number 8. Steam. One of the simplest remedies to ease coughing, cold, and runny nose is by taking steam. You can either use a humidifier or take steam from hot bowl of water. To do this, take a bowl of hot water and add essential oil such as eucalyptus or rosemary. Lean over the bowl and place a towel over the head and inhale the vapors for 5 minutes.